Hey everyone, this is James with SCW, here to give you a quick introduction on our newest camera, the Informant Dual Vision. The Informant Dual Vision is a unique camera that features two independent dome cameras in one housing. This gives you amazing coverage with just a single Ethernet connection. Each dome is an independently adjustable 3-axis camera, meaning that you can point it in nearly any direction you wish. This flexibility makes the Informant Dual Vision a great solution for hallways, warehouse lanes, entrances, and anywhere else you need multi-angle views. Since it only requires one Ethernet connection, it can help reduce labor costs, installation time, and device count. It's also a great option to expand coverage on existing systems without the hassle of having to run new cables. Let's take a look at some of the key specs. It features two 2.8mm domes with 97.7 degree fields of view. It's got 4 megapixel resolution at 25 frames per second, 100 feet of infrared night vision for each dome, individual microphones, an IP67 weatherproof rating, an IK10 impact resistant rating, and of course it's NDA compliant. It also features our AI enhanced line and intrusion detection analytic. Now let's take a look at some sample footage. In these clips, you'll see the Informant Dual Vision in its natural territory, a hallway. Now let's take a look at this camera in corridor mode. This mode changes the camera to be a tall aspect ratio and is great for hallways, entrances, and more. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, get in touch with us at getscw.com.